In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export tickets from Zendesk. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to pull your ticket data into a CSV file, which you can then analyze, share with your team, or import into other tools. Let's start from your Zendesk support dashboard. First, go ahead and log in with your usual credentials and wait for the main dashboard to load. Once you're in, focus on the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical panel with several icons. Look for the Views icon, which is where Zendesk groups different collections of tickets, such as open tickets, pending tickets, or custom views your team has created. Click on that Views icon to open the list. Now that you're in the Views section, you'll see a list of tickets based on the view you've selected. Before exporting, it's a good idea to narrow down exactly which tickets you want. On the left panel, you can use filters to refine your list. For example, you might filter by status, assignee, tags, or date ranges, depending on how your views and filters are set up. Take a moment to adjust these filters until the ticket list matches what you actually want to export. This step is important because the export will only include the tickets that are currently shown in this view. Once you're happy with your filtered list, look towards the top right corner of the ticket view. There, you should see an Actions button. Click on this Actions button to open a drop-down menu. In that drop-down, find and select the option that says Export as CSV. CSV stands for comma-separated values, and it's a very common file format that works well with tools like Excel, Google Sheets, and many reporting platforms. After you click Export as CSV, Zendesk will start processing your request in the background. The export might take a little time if you have a large number of tickets, so don't worry if nothing appears to happen immediately on screen. You don't need to stay on the page while it processes, but it's best not to make major changes to the view until the export is done. When the export is complete, Zendesk will send a CSV file to your registered email address. Open your email inbox, look for the message from Zendesk with the export attached or linked, and download the file. From there, you can open the CSV in your preferred spreadsheet or analytics tool and start working with your ticket data.